This is our first time out in the pen. Be out here for just a little while, and then we're going to go into the barn. It's our first day in the barn, but it's air conditioned, so we don't have to worry about them. Come on. No, don't everybody go back there. I'm taking your video. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Here, hurry. Hurry. Jennifer, this is your little girl. I'm little, but I'm spunky. Come on. Look at you. Come on. Janine, this is your little boy. Heather, this is your little boy. This is your little girl. What y'all doing in there? Say hi. Oh, you're going to do the slide? You're going to get up there? You're going to try? Oh, here's another one on the slide. Oh, look at y'all. Look at you all. Oh, you did it first. Oh. You're so good. You're so good. Sherry, this is your little girl going up here now. Whoops, there she goes in there. There she goes in there. Oh, y'all can do it. Y'all are pretty good. Sherry, this is your little girl over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Under there. Huh? What's everybody doing under there? Come on. Come on. Oh, look at you. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. You're trying to bite my cord. Thank you. There's Kiwi. Say Kiwi. Kiwi. What are you doing? You guys are funny. What y'all doing in there? Huh? Come on. Look at me. Say hi. Say hi. Look at me. Okay, you're going to do it? Okay, let's see you do it. Let's see you do it. Alright, come on. This is your little girl, George. Come on. Come on. I know you two can do it. Come on. Come on. Oh, you did it. Oh, what a good girls. Come on. Oh, I knew you could do it. Okay. Janine's little boy's going to do it now. Come on. Oh. Come on. Hurry. You can do it. Come on. You got help. Yep. Oh, that was fun, huh? That was fun? Like I said, spunky. Oh, what are you crying about? Huh? And Kiwi, what you crying about? You don't know? You don't know what you're doing? Huh? Say hi. Oh, look at that. That was Jennifer's little girl. She got it. She's got it. Are y'all ready to go in the barn? Huh? You had your video? Huh? Okay. Hope you enjoyed.